Unit 6, Our Universe, Chapter 12, Solar System. Important terms: minor, small, moderate, low, ancient, old, pale, yellowish. 1 million. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Dwarf, small. 1 billion. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Rare, uncommon, identical, same, heavenly, in the sky or universe. Our solar neighborhood is an exciting place. The solar system is full of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, minor planets, and many other exciting objects. The Sun is the center of our solar system. All planets and other objects orbit our Sun. The Sun's powerful gravity attracts all the other objects of the solar system towards itself. Our universe. The Sun. The Sun is a middle-sized yellow star to which scientists have named SOL after the ancient Roman name. The Sun was born in a vast cloud of gas and dust around 5 billion 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 years ago. The Sun produces its own heat, light and energy. The Sun is by far the largest object of our solar system. Nearly 98% of all matter within the solar system is found within the Sun. The Sun is so large that the Earth could easily fit inside the Sun 1,000,000,000 times. The Sun is nearly 145 million kilometers away from the Earth. All human beings on the Earth get heat and light from the Sun. The Sun is the main source of energy on the Earth. The Sun. Factoscope. The light from the Sun reaches the Earth in only 8 minutes. This is due to the high speed of light. Planet. Planets are the heavenly bodies that move around the Sun. These planets spin on their own axes and at the same time revolve around the Sun. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect the sunlight. There are 8 planets in our solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Sun, along with its 8 planets and their moons together, forms the solar system. Mercury. It is the first and the smallest planet. It is the nearest planet to the Sun. This planet is often called a morning star because it shines brightly in the early morning just before the sun rises. It has also been called an evening star as it is often visible for a brief period just after the sunset. Its Indian name is Budh. It has no moons. Factoscope. Mercury is smaller and so has less gravity. If you weigh 32 kg on the Earth, you would weigh only 12 kg on Mercury. Venus. It is the second nearest planet to the Sun. It is the hottest and the brightest planet. Venus is almost identical in size, mass and gravity of the Earth. Venus has volcanoes, mountains and sand just like Earth. Its Indian name is Shukra. It has no moons. Earth. It is the third nearest planet to the Sun. It is a watery planet because of blue color. It is a watery planet of blue color. About 30% of the Earth's surface is covered with land, while about 70% of its surface is covered by oceans. The diameter of the Earth is 7,926 miles. Life is possible on Earth because of its moderate temperature, presence of oxygen and water. Its Indian name is Prithvi. The Earth has 1 moon. Mars. It is the 4th nearest planet to the Sun. The surface of Mars is red. So it is also called Red Planet. Its Indian name is Mangal. Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter. It is the 5th nearest planet to the Sun. It is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a very stormy planet. It has red spots. Its red spot is also called the Eye of Jupiter. Jupiter has 3 rings. They are visible when Jupiter passes in front of the Sun. Its Indian name is Brihaspati. It has 62 moons. Factoscope. If you weigh 32 kg on Earth, you would weigh 54 kg on Jupiter. It is large and has more gravity than the Earth. Saturn. It is the 6th nearest planet to the Sun. It is the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is well known for its rings. It is called Lord of Rings because it has 7 major rings around it. These rings are made up of particles of ice, dust and rocks. Its Indian name is Shani. It has 60 moons. Uranus. Uranus is on the 7th place. Uranus is an extremely cold planet. It has been called the ice giant. It is made up of rock and ice. It appears like a greenish disk when viewed through a telescope. Its Indian name is Arun. It has 27 moons. Neptune. It is on the 8th place. It appears as a pale bluish disk through a telescope. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is a very windy planet. It has 6 rings. Its Indian name is Varun. It has 13 moons. The Sun and planets. Earlier, scientists said that there were 9 planets. Pluto was the 9th planet. However, Pluto is no longer considered a planet. It was called a dwarf planet in 2006 and then a Plutoid in June 2008. Asteroids. An asteroid is a large rock in the outer space. They are small in terms of size and do not have enough gravity. The asteroid belt is divided into an inner belt and an outer belt. The asteroids of inner belt are made up of metals and those of the outer belt are rich in terms of carbon. Comets. A comet is the most brilliant and rare object in the sky. Comets are made up of dust and ice. Meteorites. Have you ever heard or seen a shooting or falling star? Sometimes something that is a little bigger than a pebble passes through the atmosphere and we see it as a fireball. Occasionally, the piece of rock can be big enough so that it does not burn up while entering the atmosphere and it will hit the ground. These big pieces of rock are called as meteorites. Asteroids, comets, meteorites, stars. When you look at the night sky, you can see many beautiful stars. These stars appear to be very close to us, but as a matter of fact, they are very far away from us. A star is a large ball of gases. It gives out light and heat. Many patterns of stars are visible in the sky. We call these patterns constellations. The stars we see in the night sky are part of a huge star cloud. This cloud is called Milky Way Galaxy, which has billions of stars. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Stars, Milky Way Galaxy. The satellites. Satellites are small heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. Planets like the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune have their own natural satellites. The Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Mercury and Venus do not have satellites. Teacher's note. This chapter is a complicated one as it has lots of information about the heavenly bodies. So adopt a simple method of teaching. It is advisable to teach this chapter twice. Fact 5. 1. Asteroids are leftover materials from the formation of the solar system. 2. Mars has the solar system's biggest volcano, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 3 times larger than the Mount Everest. 3. Neptune was discovered in 1846. Let's summarize. 1. The Sun and 8 planets together form our solar system. 2. The Sun is the center of our solar system. 3. Planets reflect the sunlight. They do not have light of their own. 4. Mercury is the smallest planet. 5. Jupiter is the largest planet. 6. Venus is the brightest planet. 7. Mars is called the red planet.